Energy, water, and waste are the three areas of focus kind of for the industry as a whole. At the plant level, production is focused on cost per unit produced, uptime, and running, and balancing those different needs at those various levels to implement sustainable solutions is a challenge.
Most of all Fortune 500 companies want to reduce their carbon, water, and material footprint. They also have lofty corporate performance goals with a defined timeline as aggressive as 2035 or 2050.
The U.S. Department of Energy projects 200 new manufacturing facilities coming online. Renewable energy and solutions are not going to be able to keep up with that demand. And on top of that, our grid infrastructure, even if all of that renewable energy sources come on demand, can't support that kind of growth. It's going to be incumbent on our manufacturing facilities to figure out how to reduce their energy usage. And the people that do are going to be far better positioned going forward in the next 5 to 10 years.
Salesforce brand is expert in energy infrastructure, including combined heat and power, solar, wind, and biomass. We're always working on newest technology as well as the major infrastructure project for energy and water infrastructure for our clients.
We're working with renewable natural gas applications, electrification to reduce some of the carbon impact of generating that energy. Waste heat recovery is a very big opportunity, whether maybe you're picking up some recovery heat off of a sewage system or off of air movement or geothermal heat pumps and helping incorporate those into our plants. That's what we do day in and day out for our clients. But if there's not a return on investment, it is really challenging for our industrial clients. And what I encourage our clients to do is look at a longer term ROI. It pays back, and it's usually not a long payback. It's just good practice.